Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen between two applications on your Windows PC. That is, if you want to do multitasking, you want to split your screen between two applications, I'm going to show you how to do that. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to go over to my start button right here. And then I'm going to go to settings. And when my settings is open, I'm going to scroll down to this multitasking button. So I'm going to hit on the multitasking. And then the next thing to do is to make sure that this snap Windows button is switched on. You can see it's switched off right here. So I'm going to click on it to switch it on. So when I'm done with that, you're going to make sure that these three check marks are there. If they're unchecked, you're going to make sure that they are all checked. So that's that for this part. So that's all you need to do on the settings, and then you are good to go. So I'm going to try to split screen between two applications here. So I have Microsoft, and then I have I have Google Chrome, and then I have Microsoft on my screen. So to split the screen between these two applications, I'm going to click and drag Chrome to either the left hand side or the right hand side of the screen. So I'm going to drag this right here to the left hand side of the screen. So now you see I've been able to place Chrome on one side of the screen. So I'm going to do the opposite to Microsoft Word, and you see now I can multitask and use both software at the same time. So let's say, for instance, you are running a research or something. While you are browsing the internet, you can be typing whatever information you're getting from there on your Microsoft Word. So that's basically how to split screen. That's how to do multitasking on your PC or your Windows PC. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.